say, you know, when you're in nursing school and you're in like a situation where you're at the graduate level, which I'm really talking my master's degree and forward to my doctorate, you don't know what a reference is. You don't really know how to cite the reference. You're really learning all this new language, and sometimes it can break you. It can make you feel like, dang, I just don't know what the heck I'm doing. I am not meant to be here, and that's not true. It is not true. You are meant to be here. I really wish I had someone to mentor me or to help guide me with some of the things that I just didn't know were coming my way when I was in school. So in this video, I am going to talk to you about why it's important for you to have a coach or a mentor on your journey while you're in school. If you're interested, stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. It's Jemecia Capri, the Nurse Practitioner Extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. So hey guys, I really wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about getting a mentor or a coach. And so let me tell you why. So I pretty much, if you guys have been watching my channel, know my story, I did not start school at all for anything until I was 27. I didn't start nursing school until I was 29. Yeah, I know, I still look 27, 29. Anyway, in my head, right? Anyway, so I did not start nursing school until I was 29. And that's when I started getting my RN, my registered nurse degree. And I was pretty much lost. I knew that that was the goal, but I had no idea what my life was going to be like going through school. And if I did have some type of mentor, coach, somebody to direct me, somebody to give me some direction, then I feel like I just would have been a little bit more successful. I was successful, yes, but I went through a lot. It was grueling. It was one of the hardest things I've done in my life. And so if you are thinking about going back to school, if you're older, if you're struggling, new nurse practitioner, new student, whatever, you need a mentor, you need a coach, you need someone you can talk to. And so lucky for you, I am on Clubhouse, and I wanted to let you guys know that I'm also going to put my link tree in the description, so that if you need to get a consult and you want to talk to me about coaching, mentoring you or whatnot, then that's what really this video is about, because I want you to be able to get on the phone with someone and be able to talk it through. So I didn't even, I really didn't even know how to study, the importance of studying and charting out. Of course, you know, you have to study, but really at that age, I just didn't know. You know, you don't know what you don't know until you're in the thick of it and you're kind of navigating. You know, you're trying to navigate. So I really do want to share with you some of the tips and tricks that I use. And I want to just go even deeper to say, you know, when you're in nursing school and you're in like a situation where you're at the graduate level, which I'm really talking my master's degree and forward to my doctorate, you don't know what a reference is. You don't really know how to cite the reference. You're really learning all this new language, and sometimes it can break you. It can make you feel like, dang, I just don't know what the heck I'm doing. I am not meant to be here, and that's not true. It is not true. You are meant to be here. You just haven't gotten the tools that everyone else here in the room has gotten, right? So you're just as good as anybody. You just need the tools and the secrets and things that will help you succeed, because honestly, people don't share a lot of information, right? They want to be the ones who have all the information, and that's really not, I can't say fair, but that's not my story. My story is not that I did not have all the tools. I had to learn as I went, one, I had to learn how to get the tools. At the same time, I was learning how to be a nurse, or how to be a nurse practitioner, or whatever. So that, along with the workload, it's a lot, and it can make you feel like this is not for you, but that is not the case. So again, I'm offering that as well. Even down to the minute process of reading an article and deciphering the article, and how to use that article in your work in school. So a lot of students they'll quote like WebMD, or they'll try to go on the CDC website and they'll quote the CDC website, and they'll use it in the wrong way. And yes, CDC is a reputable evidence-based practice source, but if you're not using the right part of the CDC, you don't have what you're supposed to for class. So that's all I'm basically trying to say is you need a coach, you need a mentor, someone who's been there, done that, and that is me. And I want you to be able to reach out to me, and I'll coach you through it. It's really, you don't have to be embarrassed to say, or you can be a little embarrassed and not say to anyone but your coach or your friend or someone who has done it. And I'm finding that being on Clubhouse, there's a lot of people there that mentor. And so I'm offering that as well. I want to mentor you. I've already been mentoring. I've mentored a lot of other students, a lot of other people in different areas, as well as nursing. How to write to get into graduate school, how to write to get into your doctoral program, because there's just certain things that you look for when you're writing for those types of programs, when you're trying to get into somewhere you really want to get into. And so I have the expertise on that. And my daughter was like, you know, Mom, you really need to tell people that you're on Clubhouse. You really need to tell people that you are doing more mentoring, more coaching, and things like that. So yeah, hit me up, click the link in my description here, subscribe to my channel, put the bell notification on when you can see when I'm uploading my videos. And yeah, so that is one of the tools that you need that people don't tell you, that you really do need a coach or a mentor. And they're not always the exact same, but they kind of help and function in the same way a little bit, you know, when you're going through something like that. Yeah, so what else did I need to tell you? I think that's really all, guys. Feel free to, I think I have a 15-minute consult up there on my Linktree, and you can contact me there if you just want to chit chat about, yeah, what you're struggling with, what you need help with. I set your mind quickly. So when you talk to me, just be ready, because I will just, you know, get you straight pretty quick. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.